Hey guys, so for today I'm going to do an unboxing of Red Velvet album. So basically, I'm going to show you my Red Velvet Peekaboo, then the Selfie Book number 2 of Red Velvet, and also their latest album Zimzalabim with the poster. So yeah, let's do this, yo. So yeah guys, I've got Zimzalabim here. So if we move the camera back a little. So yeah, sorry about my lighting there. So yeah guys, so here's Zimzalabim, yo. So we're going to unbox this now. Rip the plastic off. Rip the plastic off. So yeah guys. So there's, my bias, yo, Joy. Then we have Sulgi, Irene, Wendy, and Ari. So yeah guys, let's unbox this now. So yeah guys, I do love the cover of the disc itself. So yeah guys, here's the first page of the cover book. There's Sogi. I see the postcard, right? So Joy. Alright, we'll check that later. So guys, so and we have Wendy. I think it's Wendy. Ari, Sogi, Wendy. So I guess let's check the postcard. So we have this one, and we have Yeri. So we got Yeri right here with his stand, I think. So yeah, with her stand. Let's stand her up. So like that. Stand up, Yeri. Stand up, yo. Doesn't like to stand up, yo. So like that. So yeah, we have them. Yeri. So let's go to the next album. So here's I have Peekaboo. So let's do this. I'm really scared when I'm doing this kind of album, because the slip keys that I do not want to destroy anything, like some of them will get dented. So yeah, here it is. So here's the postcard, so let's check that later. So we have the first page for the front cover, and we have this. I'm going to make this fast because I don't like this to be a 10 minutes long video. We have Joy. Yeah, that's that, and the album itself. So red velvet, so it's like in a pizza box, you know. So yeah, guys, so here's the disc, you know, like Hawaiian pizza. If you like Hawaiian, comment down below on what pizza you like. So yeah, here's the red velvet. So here's the lyrics, relics, I think, in the song list. So yeah, here it is. So let's check the photo card of what I've got. So yeah, guys, here's the papers, and I have Irene. So I've got Irene. So that's that. So next we're going to unbox the Selfie Book. So this is number 2. So this is their Selfie Book. So yeah, there's the plastic. So yeah, so this is their lovely days in Slovenia. So I'm just going to do a quick there we go. So yeah, guys, that's the unboxing of the album. So I'm going to show you now the poster itself. So yeah, it's a big poster, like, you know, the size of my body. So this is so yeah, red velvet day 1. So this is the ReVe Festival. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's the poster itself. So I don't know where I'm going to hang this because it's so big and my room is so small, you know. So yeah, guys, so hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel if you would like more content, and hit the notification bell down below to be in the notification squad and to be notified when I'm going to post a new video. So yeah, guys, so that's it for this unboxing. So see you guys on my next video.